How to get an invoice from Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting an invoice on Shein. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Shein application is updated to its latest version. You can go to Play Store, search for Shein application, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now launch the application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now click on the Me section in the bottom of the screen. Now from this page, click on Customer Service option that is in the More Services section, tap on it. Scroll all the way down in this page and then click on Customer Service option. Now in this page in the chat, type in invoice, click on Send. And the bot then will provide you with a list of all the products you have ordered. Choose the product for which you need the invoice and you will receive it. It's that easy. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can get an invoice from Shein. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.